color is this one?
Big.
What color is this one? What color is this one?
No.
What color is it?
Or
Orange, good. What color is this one?
white.
Nope, that one's green. Can you say green?
White.
Green.
That's what. That's black.
Dada's car is black. Can you find the black crayon?
Gotta think about it.
Where's the black one? Let's try a different color. What color is this one?
Big.
What color?
Big.
Red.
Big.
What color is this one?
Purple.
Good job. What color is this one?
Orange.
What color is this one?
Orange.
No. What color?
Orange.
Yellow.
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 Do you know this one? This is a new one. Brown.
Body.
Brown. Like a tree, yeah. What color is this one?
Blue.
Blue. Good job. Let's see. What color is this one? Like mommy's car.
White.
White. What color is this one? Like daddy's car.
Black.
Black. What color is this one?
One.
Gray. Mommy's favorite color. What color is this one? Like the tree branch?
Yeah.
What color? Brown. Hello. Thank you. Want to put them away now? Not in your ear?
No.
Do you want to put them away?
When is Christmas over? December 28th, 2014.
Put 'em back in.
You get ready for your West Virginia trip? Penny?
Who are you going to see in West Virginia?
Bobby.
Bobby, and who else?
Bobby. Ready?
Phoebe
Baby.
and Dee. And Aunt Caitlin.
Or Bobby.
And Bobby. Who else?
Titi.
Titi. Who else? Who else are you going to see?
He's too busy right now.
Yeah.